So what's going on, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It's a beautiful sunny day. Obviously it's a little cool, but the snow is finally gone and we can start getting onto some awesome projects, because if you saw the last video, which you should go see, I did get a sawmill. I got a Hudson HFE 30 and we'll be setting that up, but I got a little bit of an unboxing today. I bought something. This is kind of like a little review video. I got some pallet forks. So I got them from Titan Industries. We're gonna open these up and let's see what they look like. So stick with me to the end, because we're gonna try to move some logs with these things and put them to the test. They say they're rated for pretty heavy loads, so we're gonna find that out. All right, let's get to it. Let's open these up. These are the Titan Attachments pallet forks. They're a clamp-on, bolt-on style. You just basically, attach them to the bucket of the backhoe, and it's a pressure clamp. I'm kind of like skeptical of what they're gonna be, but they say they can lift 4,000 pounds. Let's put them to the test. Like Christmas morning. Woo-wee. Look at that. Look at that. Mighty, 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 mighty. First impression, nice packaging. Got something in here. This is most likely the stabilizer bar. It goes between the two forks. This is pretty straightforward. Right out of the box, they're pre-assembled. They look good. Ooh, they're heavy duty. So here they are. This is one fork, and it's got some weight to it. It's got to be about, I would say, easily 80 pounds. Probably like a sack of concrete. Good sack of crate, box steel. So this right here. You see that? You want me to get a little closer? Let me see. This right here is where you can basically put a chain into and lock the forks up, or you could put a 2x4 into here. These are the clamps. This is the clamp piece. Clamps to the bucket. Everything moves freely. Looks nice. Very, very nice first impression. I don't know. Not needed. Looks like it comes with instructions. Titan attachments. Clamp on pallet forks. Who needs instructions, right? They just show you that you could put a 2x4 in that mount, how to chain it up to your bucket. Oh wow, they actually tell you to chain it all the way around the bucket and use turnbuckles. And it does say chains are not always necessary. However, inserts on the forks provide the option to utilize additional hardware to deliver extra support when moving heavy loads, which I'm going to be using these to move the bigger logs on my lot instead of trying to train them up, drag them around, I'm gonna try to lift them with these forks. So, all right, let's install them and put them to the test. Well, okay, so let's get these forks installed on the bucket and see how well they do. So first we're gonna loosen them up. Oh, nice fit. That actually fits really nice. I think I might go all the way wide because we're gonna try to pick up some of the bigger logs I have over here to get them out of the way for where our sawmill is gonna be set in place. So I'm gonna go full width on these. You want to get a nice surface that you can bite onto too. Let's clamp them as tight as it can go. That's on there pretty good. Wow, that's pretty nice. So let's set up the next one. There you go. You got to make sure you get in there good. All right. So now they're saying these are rated for 4,000 pounds. So let's put them to the test. Let's start lifting some logs and see what they can do. Well guys, all in all, I'm super impressed with these Titan pallet forks. They're 4,000 pound rated. For 200 bucks, I think it was a worthy purchase. You just saw me move those big logs with the forks. They're super easy to clamp onto the bucket, and I think it's going to make my life up here a lot easier at the wood yard. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you could hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and I'll tell you what, I'll split you later.